Power sharing. Civics we are going to do power sharing. First question you will write in your revision copy, what is the system of checks and balance in power sharing? Now write the answer. Under this system, one organ of government keeps the checks over the other. None of the organs can exercise unlimited powers. In the last you will write, this keeps a balance of power sharing among various institutions. Is it clear, all of you? Now, next question you will write, which factor is responsible for increasing the feeling of alienation among the Sri Lankan Tamils? And a very important question here, one word you will write, majoritarian measure. Right? Next, one word like this, it may come in MCQ. So, what is the language spoken by the people residing in the Wallonia region of Belgium? Now, the actual answer is French, but 4 options will be there. One may be English, A, B, German, C, French, and 4 any other language or all the above. So, what will be your answer? The answer will be the French language. Same like that, which language is spoken by the majority of the Sri Lankans? So, the very important language of Sri Lankan were the Sinhali language. So, this will, like this, MCQ will come in your exams. Now, the very important question I am going to give you, mention any 4 steps which were taken by the Sri Lankan government to achieve majoritarianism. You may mark this answer in your book also. So, mention any 4 steps which were taken by the Sri Lankan government to achieve majoritarianism. The first point you will write, in 1956 an act was passed which English was replaced as the country's official language, not by the Sinhala and Tamil, but by the Sinhala only. Right? Second, you will write, the government followed preferential policies. The government followed preferential policies that favored the Sinhala applicants for university positions and government jobs. Alright, now the third question you will write, a new constitution stipulated that the state shall protect and foster Buddhism. A new constitution stipulated that the state shall protect and foster Buddhism. And last, fourth point you will write, denial of citizenship to state Tamils. Denial of citizenship to estate Tamils. You have learned this chapter and you have come to know that the Tamils were fighting for a separate state through the organization known as LTTE, Liberation of Tamil Tiger Elam. Right in bracket, Elam means a separate state. Now, this is very important question which I am giving you. This question has come in the board exam 2012-2015. For example, write it, inverted comma open, both Belgium and Sri Lanka are democracies. Both Belgium and Sri Lanka are democracies, but they follow different systems of power sharing. They follow different systems of power sharing, inverted comma close. Support the statement by giving 3 points of differences. Support the statement by giving 3 points of differences. Now, answer write it. First, Roman number 1, the main topic you will write, type of government. Type of government. First, write which type of government was found in Sri Lanka and which type of government was found in Belgium. You have to mention that. unitary government, federal government, like that. Second, you will elaborate religion and government. Which religion was most preferred in Sri Lanka and which religion was more preferred in the Belgium region? Now, Belgium had a community government, all right, and they were made by ethnic group, whereas Sri Lankan passed a law to promote the Buddhist religion. And third Roman number you will write language and government. You can do it. Now, very important next question I am giving you that may be related with the civil war, that is a war between the people of the country. As a government imposed emergency in India, three types of emergencies: financial crisis, civil war, and if the country is attacked by the outsider or external power. So here you will write down the question, what is a civil war? Now write it. It is a violent conflict between the opposing groups within a country. It is a violent conflict between the opposing groups within a country. For example, the Sinhalese and the Tamils. Alright, now support this answer. The second part of the question is explain with the context to Sri Lanka. You have to give the example of Sri Lanka because you are reading here the civil war had occurred in Sri Lanka. The question may come like that also, that what were the factors or reasons behind civil war in Sri Lanka. The second part you will write due to the violent conflict between both these ethnic groups. Ethnic groups means majority and minorities, about the French, the Dutch and the Germans. These are in the Belgium region. And in Tamil, Sri Lanka, as we are reading, the Sri Lankan Tamils, the Indian Tamils and the Sinhalese. So write it. Due to the violent conflicts between both these ethnic groups, thousands of people of both the communities have been killed. Change the line and write. Many families were forced to leave the country as refugees, and many more lost their livelihoods. And the last conclusion you will write, the civil war has caused a terrible setback. Civil war has caused a terrible setback to social, cultural and economic life of the country. Now, this answer you have already prepared. This question which I am giving you, like what is the ethnic composition of Belgium and Sri Lanka? Prepare the answer. You know the answer and it has been marked in the book also. So write it. What is the ethnic composition of Belgium and Sri Lanka? Both the answer, prepare it. Now, come to the next, as this question has giving you the question which has come in the board, that 2010, 2012 and 2015. This question has come 3 times. For example, write it here. Explain the differences between horizontal power sharing and vertical power sharing. Horizontal and vertical power sharing. Make a box. One side you will write horizontal and the other side you will write vertical. Under horizontal, write it. Under the horizontal power sharing, power is shared among the different organs of the government, such as the legislature, the executive and the judiciary. Power is shared among the different organs of the government, such as the legislature, the executive and the judiciary. Then vertical. Here you write, under the vertical power sharing, power is shared among power is shared among the different levels of the government. Levels, write it: central government, state government, and local self government. These are the three levels. Second point you will write under horizontal, that the organs of the government are placed at the same level to exercise different powers. Placed at the same level to exercise different power. Write in bracket: legislature, executive, and judiciary. Vertical, you will write the vertical division of power. The vertical division of power involves higher and the lower levels of the government. Higher and the lower levels of the government. Alright, now last third point you will write, under this horizontal के नीचे लिखोगे, under this each organ checks the other. It is known as checks and balance. You may write there also. Under this each organ checks the other. Now in the next vertical you will write, under vertical power sharing, the lower organs work under the higher organs. Like, more power is given to the central government, under that there is a state government, and then local self government. Both are helping each other to run the government. So why we have three level of government? To deepen the democracy, that every person should enjoy the democratic rights. Now next here, this question double tick laga, it is very important question. Why is horizontal distribution of power, write it fast, why is horizontal distribution of power often referred as a system of checks and balances? Explain. Give a question mark and explain. Checks and balance, inverted comma open and close करो या उसको underline करो. First इसमें डालो, आंसर लिखोगे. Under the horizontal distribution of power, power is shared among different organs of the government, such as legislature, executive, and judiciary. This system is also called a system of checks and balance. Now second point में reasons डालोगे. Reasons डालो, underline करो, arrow दो, और first reason A, B, C करते हुए 3 reasons लिखो. First, all three organs of the government are placed at the same level. All three organs of the government are placed at the same level. Second point डालो. The power distribution ensures that no organ enjoys unlimited power. Third mark, each organ exercises a check on the others. This results in a balance of This results in a balance of power. Now, next here, write it. 2009 and 12 question. Describe any three demands. Describe any three demands of Sri Lankan Tamils. Describe any three demands of Sri Lankan Tamils. Full stop. How did they struggle for their independence? How did they struggle for their independence? Give a question mark there. Write the answer. First, you will write the three demands of Sri Lankan Tamils. First point, write. The recognition of Tamils. They wanted to recognize. They wanted to recognize Tamil. They wanted to recognize Tamil as an official language. They wanted to recognize Tamil as an official language. Second point, right? They want to recognize, or just write not like that. Second point, you will write regional autonomy, that independence from the demand of LTTE, Elam. E means Elam, Elam means state. They wanted regional autonomy. And third, equal opportunity in securing jobs and education. लास्ट लिखो. सेकेंड पॉइंट क्वेश्चन का सेकेंड पार्ट लिखो. हाउ डिड दे स्ट्रगल? They struggled by forming a political organization. But when the government tried to suppress their activities, by force, this led to a civil war in Sri Lanka. Now, take out the topic accommodation of Belgium. From there you will write the question. How were the ethnic problems solved in Belgium? इसमें भी डबल टिक लगाओगे इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस में. हाउ वेयर द एथनिक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व्ड इन बेल्जियम? क्वेश्चन मार्क दो. मेंशन एनी फोर स्टेप्स which were taken by the government to solve the problems. This is also a board question. 2013, 14, 17. Now, you will write it according to the main topic. First, Roman number 1, write it. Equal number of ministers. देखो बुक में भी दिया हुआ है, इसलिए बुक का जो फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ है उसमें ऊपर में लिखो इक्वल नंबर ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स फॉर बोथ द ग्रुप्स. अब या तो लिखो या अंडरलाइन करो. The Belgium Constitution prescribes that the number of Dutch and French speaking ministers shall be equal in central government. Second part, write it. Second point, some special laws require the support of majority of members from each linguistic group. Thus, no single community can take decisions unilaterally. Roman number 2, write it. more powers to the state government. Underline this, give an arrow and write. Under the proper power sharing arrangements, under the proper power sharing arrangements, many powers of the central government, many powers of the central government were given to the state governments. Central governments were given to the state government for the two regions of the country. For the two regions of the country. Last point, right, in the same topic. The state government were not subordinate. The state government were not subordinate to the central government. Now, Roman number 3, write it. Equal representation of the state and central level. Equal representation of the state and the central level. Now, write it. A separate government has been set up. A separate government has been set up at Brussels, in which both the communities have equal representation. Both the communities have equal representation. Fourth, last point, write it. Roman number 4. Write the main topic. Formation of community government. It will be the main topic. Roman number 4. Underline it. Give an arrow and then write. Apart from central and state government, there is a third kind of government. There is a third kind of government, community government. Underline this. Community government. अब उसके बाद लिखो. This community government is elected by the people. This community government is elected by the people belonging to one language. Belonging to one language community, like give a line dash there and then write Dutch, French and German speaking. Dutch, French and German speaking. No matter where they live. Last, conclude the answer. This government has the power. This government has the power regarding cultural, educational and language related issues. That is cultural, educational and language related issues. Alright. Now this question from Sri Lanka. What is मेजॉरिटेरियनिज्म? देखो इससे श्रीलंका के मेजॉरिटेरियनिज्म से बहुत सारा क्वेश्चंस आ सकता है. ये बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है. व्हाट इज़ मेजॉरिटेरियनिज्म? देखो इसमें लिखा हुआ है. ये हर बार एक साल गैप करके रिपीट किए हुए हैं. हाउ हैज़ इट इंक्रीज्ड द फीलिंग ऑफ एलियनेशन? How has it increased the feeling of alienation among the Sri Lankan Tamils? Question mark दो. Explain with example. Alright. इसको खुद से प्रिपेयर करो या इसमें ऑप्शन देखो. चॉइस में इस तरह से भी आ सकता है क्वेश्चन. What is majoritarianism? How has it been adopted in Sri Lanka? Alright. Next देखो. Give reasons why power sharing is desirable. Give reason why power sharing is desirable. Very important question I am giving you. Write one prudential and one moral reasons for power sharing. These two questions I am giving you as your homework. Write one prudential and one moral reasons for power sharing.